Jai Hind everyone. We are the first generation to feel the impact of climate change and the last generation that can do something about it. This quote by the former US President Barack Obama emphasizes all of us to worry and to show concern about the impact of climate change. So today I would like to discuss about the global issue that affects all of us, and understanding it is very important for our future generation and ourselves too. So let us understand about climate change. Climate change refers to the long-term change in the temperature, precipitation and other weather patterns of Earth. While our planet's climate has always been changing over millions of years, but today's changes are way more faster and are largely caused by human activities. So let us study about the major reasons that causes climate change. The first reason is the greenhouse gases. To produce energy, we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil and gases, which emits greenhouse gases, and greenhouse gases causes the earth to become more warmer. These greenhouse gases majorly include carbon dioxide, methane and carbon monoxide. Now talking about the second reason, which is the deforestation, as cutting down trees reduces the number of plants that absorb carbon dioxide. As we all know that plants absorb carbon dioxide, and plants help us to keep the air clean and regulate climate change. But now moving forward towards the adverse effects of climate change, that is caused on our earth. The first effect is the rising temperature. The temperature of the earth is increasing every year, leading to hotter summers and milder winters. Second effect is about the rising of the sea level. As we all know that melting of ice glaciers and ice caps can contribute to the rise in the sea level, which can cause damage to the habitat and coastal areas. The third effect is about the temperature and the extreme weather condition, as climate change causes extreme weather conditions like the hurricane, flood and droughts, which can be devastating for the people living nearby and the communities. Now, the question arises that what can be done to combat climate change? What are the solutions? What are the measures to be taken by an individual to reduce climate change? There are various reasons and various measures to take. The first one is the planting more and more trees. As we all know that plants absorb carbon dioxide. So by planting more and more trees, we can combat climate change. Second is creating more and more awareness. By creating awareness, by talking to our friends and families about the issue of climate change. Third is about the switching to renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. We should switch to non-renewable sources of energy like sun, solar, wind power, so that we can reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. Fourth is about the switching to and saving energy. By saving energy, by switching off the fans and lights when they are not in use, we can reduce and we can reduce the effect of climate change. We should use more efficient electrical appliances. In conclusion, I would like to say that climate change is a serious issue that requires our immediate action. By understanding its causes and effects, we can work towards creating a safer world to live. As every little step counts, we need to work on it, and we need to take responsibility to take care of our planet, as there is no planet B. We have to be accountable and responsible enough to make this planet a better for living. Thank you. Jai Hind.